When me did left Jamaica, me did full up a hope. Me say, yes man, the Queen call. Me hands
In
up.
1948, Jamaica sent their best and brightest to help rebuild a broken Britain.
Me reach your son, boy. The boat coming like a trap. Cold breeze box me in my face. I me nearly run back on the boat.
They came to help build Britain, but Britain never planned to help them back.
So, what was your first days in England looking like?
Me bunk in a one room, 4 away, pan one mattress. The whole place smell like one kettle and damn sack.
The Windrush ship arrived at Tilbury docks in Essex, but when its passengers got off, they found out that Britain was not as friendly to them as they had hoped.
So what kind of food did you eat when you first arrived in England?
Food? Food out England? What you expect me to eat? Chip butty? The only thing where England have are fish and chips.